Okay, so for multiple choice 33 to 35, tinatanong sa atin is final tax on passive income, capital gains tax for number 34, at saka taxable net income sa number 35. Okay, let's have the total final tax on passive income. Ang subject po dyan sa passive income, resident citizen siya. So, interest income on peso bank deposit BDO Marikina. That's 20% final tax, so 4,000. Interest income on US deposit, US dollar deposit sa BDO Mandaluyong. So, 50,000 subject to 15% final tax. Kaya, ang total final tax on passive income, 11,500. For number 34, yung kanyang capital gains tax. Ang masasubject po sa capital gains ay yung gain from sale of residential house and lot na 5 million kasi wala namang sinabi na ito yung kanyang main residence, no? Sinabi lang residential property, no? Pero walang sinabi na ito yung kanyang family home, no? So sa subject natin yan sa 6% final tax based on 5 million. So 6% nun is 300,000. Capital gains from shares sold outside the stock exchange. Yung 150,000 is subject to 15% final tax. So, ang capital gains tax rather. So, ang total capital gains tax niya is 322,500. For number 35, taxable net income. So, dahil siya ay resident citizen, taxable on all income within the Philippines or outside the Philippines. So, ang kasama, gross sales sa Philippines, less sales returns and allowances sa Philippines, less cost of sales sa Philippines, gross sales sa Ukraine, less sales returns and allowances Ukraine, less cost of sales Ukraine, less business expenses sa Philippines and Ukraine. Kaya meron siyang taxable net income na 4,200,000.